What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some fault codes coming up on our dash for the wheel speed sensor and the oil pressure sensor. I'm going to show you guys how to diagnose and how to fix the codes. Your mechanic doesn't want you to know this. You need car scanners. This one is from AutoZone for $40. This is the Mechiridion Bluetooth OBDII scanner for $20. We're going to be using both of them. Let's test it. Got a check engine light for the oil pressure sensor, and then we have this ESP, brake, traction control, and ABS light. I've searched around online, and these are basically because the wheel speed sensor is bad on the passenger side. Alright, so we're gonna tackle the wheel speed sensor first. It's disconnected. Connects over to this wire right here. As you can see, we got the brakes out of the way professionally. And we'll just work on getting this taken out. Got the wheel speed sensor put back on, connects up to here. Hopefully I routed it right. There was no really like good spots to put it in, so I just ended up zip tying it to the brake lines. Hopefully when this moves it doesn't rip it off again, you know. But we'll try to get the car sold before that happens. Now for the oil pressure sensor, it's gonna be this yellow right here where my middle finger is pointing. You just want to disconnect it from this, and that's going to be your sensor. This is what the new sensor looks like. I went ahead and got a deep socket 27mm bit, just because this is what pretty much fits on it. Because the plastic piece gets in the way, you just want to get something that fits around it, like that. And you just put it on, loosen it out, it'll come out. And there you have it, folks. The sensor is put on. Just gonna go ahead and connect this back onto it, if I can figure it out with one hand. You want to wait for it to make a clicking noise. Once it's on, that's how you know it's nice and tight. Doesn't come out. Tighten down all the way. Just ate a bug. So the oil pressure sensor is put back on. The wheel speed sensor is changed. Let's see if we got anything different on the dash now. And still got the ABS, traction control, ESP, BAS, and brake. But that's probably because we haven't configured it. We need to drive it around for a little bit for it to go off. Let me drive around and I'll see if it goes off. There you have it, folks. The lights are off. Let me throw my seatbelt on just so one more light is off. Now we just have this brake light, and I think it's for the emergency brake. There you have it, guys. Car's fixed. Now we just need to list it, then we can sell it, and at least get just $1,000 of my money back. Because honestly, we did this really bad. We shouldn't have put so much money into it, but I don't really care. We got the car for cheap. The repairs cost a lot. Wasn't that good of a flip, but next time we'll try to do better. We'll take the money out of this car and we'll put it into our next flip smarter. We'll be better. We'll come at this professionally, because that's how we do it at this channel. That's how we do it over here. Hopefully we find a good car, but we got to get rid of this car first.